solve this question together. It says 9 raised to power x equal to 30. We're going to solve for the value of x in this question. Okay? Now, in order to solve this, you can just say that 9 is equal to 3 squared, 30 is equal to 2 times 3 times 5. Let's now replace these, okay, in this equation. So we have 9 raised to power x now becomes 3 to the power of 2 raised to the power of x. So equal to 2 times 3 times 5. Now, this will become, when you have a raised to power m raised to power n, it's equal to a raised to power mn. So this becomes 3 to the power of 2x to equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Let's say the logarithm of both sides in base 3. Okay? So we have logarithm to base 3 of 3 to the power of 2x to equal to log to base 3 of 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Alright? This is inside brackets. Okay? Now this is 2x multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 3, okay? So equal to logarithm of 2 to base 3 plus logarithm of 3 to base 3 plus logarithm of 5 to base 3. Logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. 1 times 2x is 2x. So equal to logarithm of 2 to base 3 plus of 3 to base 3 is 1, okay? Plus logarithm of 5 to base 3. Now this is x to be equal to, we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 into logarithm of 2 to base 3 plus logarithm of 5 to base 3. Okay? Now this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.